Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a verb tense used to talk about actions that are happening now or that are in progress. It is also used to talk about temporary situations. To form the present continuous tense, we use the present tense of the verb to be, am, is, are, plus the ing form of the main verb. For example, I am eating breakfast. She is reading a book. We are playing soccer. They are watching TV. The dog is barking. The present continuous tense can also be used to talk about actions that are happening repeatedly or habitually. However, in this case, it is often used with adverbs such as always or constantly. For example, I am always forgetting my keys. She is constantly complaining. We are always arguing. They are constantly fighting. The dog is always barking. The present continuous tense can also be used to talk about actions that will happen in the future, but only if there is a plan or arrangement in place. For example, I am meeting my friends at the park tomorrow. She is flying to London next week. We are going to the movies tonight. They are having a party on Saturday. The dog is going to the vet tomorrow. Here are some additional points about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is not used to talk about actions that happened in the past or that will happen in the future without a plan or arrangement. The present continuous tense is often used with adverbs of time, such as now, right now, at the moment, currently. The present continuous tense can be used with modal verbs, such as can, could, may, might, should, would, will. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.